Today we're going to have a poop ditty. What's a poop ditty? It goes a little something like this. Let's talk about poop, mommy. Let's talk about the way it should be. It shouldn't be too runny or hurt your tummy, no siree. Let's talk about poop. I bet we thought once our kids were out of diapers we were going to stop having poop conversations, but guess what? They come up again, over and over again, whether it's your kids' poop or whether it's your poop. If you're over 40, and if you've had babies, the chances of getting things like hemorrhoids are a hot topic of conversation. Again, you're welcome for introducing this conversation to your morning. I talked to a hemorrhoid specialist doctor, and some of the most invasive and painful surgeries revolve around that. His alternative to those, after going through everything that he recommends, is, or you could just up your fiber. Oh, that seems like a no-brainer. So I wanted to introduce our nutrition line. Perhaps you haven't seen it before. We have an amazing line of protein, greens, and fiber, all amazing things that can go right into a morning smoothie. Let's share with you some great smoothie recipes. They'll be in the comments. But I take fiber every single night in a warm cup of water. I microwave that. I put 1 scoop in, stir it around. It helps me feel full. I know I'm getting my fiber for the day, and it helps me fall asleep better. And actually, you guys, it tastes really good. It's really sweet. Like, I was afraid to try it for a long time because I thought it was going to be gross. It's not gross. I encourage you to try it. So if you don't think that your gastrointestinal issues or your poop issues or your family's poop issues can be influenced by diet and nutrition, let's have a conversation. And you know what? I have these conversations every day, so I'm not embarrassed about them anymore. I think that whole wellness for the whole person starts from the inside out. We've always preached that. So I'd love to get ahead of things so that they don't become issues in the long run. And what a great way to start your morning with a nutritional smoothie that has everything jam-packed in there that you need, along, of course, with your vitamins, and I'm assuming you're taking collagen. That way, you're prepping your body for the best outcome you can have for your day, inside and out. Thanks for joining us today. You can get more of our tips on our Essential Ninja education page or follow our YouTube page and look at our playlist for Wednesday tips.